How to add a layout to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add layout to your Instagram story so you can create a fun colleagues using multiple photos. So make sure to watch videos till the end, and without further ado, let's get started by opening the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the Instagram app, simply tap on the option labeled Your Story. Now after that, simply tap on camera. Now after that, on the left side of the screen you can see the layout icon. Simply tap on that. And Instagram will give you a different grid style to choose from. So pick a layout depending on how many photos that you want in your story. And once you have done that, you can simply start to click photos for your layout. You can also use the photos from your gallery for your layout. And once you're done clicking it, simply tap on tick button at the bottom center of the screen, and after that you can resize, rotate, move image to you get a desired looks, or you can add stickers, text filters and drawings to make it even more fun. And once you're done with that, you can simply tap on the send button and again simply tap on share. And that's it. Now you know how to add a layout to your Instagram story in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.